Vocabulary quiz. He wrote a blank for St. Patrick's Day. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. A blank is a poem with rhyming or not. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. The kids like to blank on the trampoline. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. Black sack is an example of words that blank. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. Busy as a bee is an example of an blank. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. You can't speak at this trial. You are here as in blank. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. The blank made a lot of money from his product. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. He could not blank what the room would look like without the sofa. Imagine, inventor, alliteration, limerick, bounce, observer, free verse, rhyme. Write a sentence using one of the vocabulary words. Write a sentence using one of the vocabulary words different from the first sentence.